Today we are going to reveal 7 secret habits that only the wealthiest people know. Do you know that the people who become billionaires adopt habits that are different from ordinary people? If you also want to walk the path of success, it is essential to learn these secrets. And what is the most important secret? To find out, make sure to watch this video till the end, because we will reveal the most powerful secret at the end. Habit number 1. Waking up early. Most successful people wake up early because it is the most peaceful time of the day when they plan their schedule. Billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett utilize their mornings productively. Waking up early gives them more time and allows them to manage their day effectively. Habit number 2. The passion for learning. Billionaires are always engaged in learning. They read books, explore new ideas, and constantly seek knowledge. Bill Gates has a habit of reading 50 pages every day, while Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. If you want to be successful, make reading a habit. Habit number 3. Valuing time. Billionaires never waste time. They understand that time is the most valuable asset, so they utilize every minute wisely. They prioritize tasks, avoid unnecessary distractions, and focus their energy only on things that lead them toward success. Habit number 4. Taking care of mental and physical health. A healthy mind and body are the keys to success. Billionaires exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and take special care of their mental health. They practice meditation to keep their minds calm and make better decisions. Habit number 5. The ability to take risks. Successful people never hesitate to take risks. They take calculated risks and always look for new opportunities. If you want to move forward in life, you must develop the courage to take risks. Habit number 6. Networking and building relationships. Billionaires know that success cannot be achieved alone. They always build relationships with successful people, learn from them, and strengthen their networking. Having a good company and strong connections can pave the way for success. Habit number 7. Learning from failures. Successful people consider failures as learning opportunities rather than reasons for disappointment. Warren Buffett says, "Failure is a part of success." If you develop the habit of learning from your mistakes, you can achieve success much faster. Conclusion. If you want financial success in your life, start adopting these habits. Small steps lead to big achievements. If you like this video, make sure to like it, share it, and tell us in the comments which habit you are going to adopt. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss amazing videos like this. Subscribe now, like the video, share with your friends.